Spend a medical minute with Kaleida Health.
The SWIFT Prime trial probably is one of the most compelling trials for stroke, at least in my lifetime. It's one of the first trials to show that endovascular, or going up with retrievable stents plus clot busters like TPA, actually make a difference. Now the patients are more likely to survive and more likely to be functional as compared to any other time in the history of stroke treatment. What the trial showed is it's not enough to have special imaging or tools or stroke doctors, but it's really about workflow. And I think the GVI was shown to be one of the top centers in the world that had the most efficient workflow to get these brain vessels open in record time. The stroke team here at the Gates Vascular Institute has been responsible for revolutionizing stroke care.
Brought to you by Kaleida Health. Taking care of you is what we do.